Morning. I am back, and today we are going to jump straight into how to use our sales tools that we sell on our website. So we're having a sale right now on those. First of all, for those of you who don't know, my name is Wendy Joe. I kind of became known for passive income and teaching you guys all the things through TikTok. And so we started putting up the videos on Rumble and on YouTube so that you guys can have free training. There's no reason to pay for all of these crazy courses that cost thousands of dollars when there is so much free content out there for you guys just to learn from. So I do not sell courses. However, I do make available a couple of sales tools that I use and I talk about. So today, this is one of those sales tools, and really it's kind of the only one that I've really pushed and told people about because I really find it helpful. It's available for Apple for numbers, or you can use it on Excel or Google Sheets, which is great because then you can access it from anywhere. So as you can see, this is our shop, davisdesignmarket.com. You can also go to wendyjodavis.com under business tools. It's there. But this is the sales tool sheet, and you will see that, you know what, I need to make sure that this little guy stays on top because, well, we'll just have to see what happens here because I accidentally hit the wrong thing. But this is where it is right now. So right now it is on sale for $9, and this is a full year of tracking for your multiple streams of income, all your side hustles, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to actually open mine up and show you guys how it works so that you can see, but the code will be in the description below. It's new NEWYR22, New Year 22, and that'll give you 50% off of this. And all I ask is that if you have somebody that also wants to use it, just send them to my site and purchase it because it's literally like the only thing I make money off from all of this right now. So I'm going to go into numbers and I'm going to open up the sales tracking sheet as if, and so now whenever you purchase it, you can add it as a template chooser, or you can just do a new spreadsheet with it. I already have it as a template, so I'm just going to make it a new spreadsheet. And I'm going to make this full sized, and then I'm going to go find my face because actually I'm not going to make it full sized because then you can't see my face. But I'm going to zoom this in. Okay, so when you get this worksheet, let me minimize this guy. This is what it's going to look like. Obviously, you can make any changes to it that you want. You can see this is the 2022 full year view. So as you go into each of these monthly tabs and put in your income and put in your different streams, it's going to start creating a chart for you. So we're going to go into January, and obviously I'm just pinching to zoom so you can get bigger or smaller or whatever. And if you don't have all of these forms, then you can delete or just leave them blank. You can change. So if I go in here and I click on this and then I double click, oh dear, my entire system just shut down. That's fun. I don't know what I did, but here we go again. All right, there it is. This report. Okay, there we go. I don't know what happened there, but that was weird. So I can choose to rename that if I want to. I'm honestly not sure what happened. Oh, there we go. So if I want to change affiliate marketing to pop-up shop, I could do that, whatever you want to do. And if you make a mistake, then just go up into edit, hit undo, edit, undo. Oh, it's going to really edit. It's going to make it do every. And there we go. Okay. So, and this breaks it down into the weeks. So what you're going to want to do, obviously you're getting a little bit of a late start, but maybe you're just getting started with your business and you're looking for a way to track everything. So this is how you're going to do it. So what you'll do for week 1 of your affiliate marketing is you're just going to go in here and you're going to put in whatever you made from affiliate marketing. So the way that I have this set up is that you actually are going in and you are going to lump them all together. So like say I have an affiliate marketing with Target and with Amazon and all of those things. I lump them all together because it gets way out of control for me to do them all separately. But you could do that. Like if you wanted to continue to add more columns here, you can totally add more columns. All you would do is just click here, and then you're going to basically right click. You can add the column before or after, and then put in whatever information you want, and you can copy the formatting here. So if you want to copy, and then you're going to paste here, and you're going to paste and match the style, and it's going to copy. So it's really just copying and pasting. If you decide that you don't want to see it, then you can just delete that. I mean, it's there. You can play around with it. I recommend that when you get it, that you download it and then make a copy of it so that you have the original. So if you screw something up, you can always go back in and start again. So that's my 2 cents worth on that, because you don't want to go in, because I have all of these set to where the formulas will feed into the main chart. So we're going to go in and just punch in some numbers. So let's say the first week of January, I made $235 from affiliate marketing. Okay. And you can see automatically, now this is just my January chart. It's showing me where I'm at. So let's say from TikTok, I made $75. From YouTube, we're going to do $573. And then from sales, we'll just put in a random number, 5,475. So this is week 1, and it's going to obviously show me which one was the most was sales, second most was YouTube, third most was affiliate marketing, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So let's say that our second week of affiliate marketing was a lot better and we did $750 worth. TikTok, we're going to say was super low this week, was $20. YouTube, we're going to say was, I don't know, we'll say it was $700 this week. And then sales, we'll say sales was down this week, so $2,000. All right, so as you can see, each week or each thing, it's totaling here. It's totaling each of your columns here. And I'll show you here in a minute how it's going to then feed over into this. So this is all pre-programmed, so you don't have to write any of the equations, the formulas that make this happen. So I think a lot of people are intimidated by Excel spreadsheets and all of that. And so this just simplifies that process. So, and this really gives you a great at a glance as to how things are going. So I'm just going to do 200 here, 500 here, 100 here, and 1,000 here. And then here we're going to do 500, we're going to do 200, we're going to do 800, we're going to do 2,000. And I don't even know if there are 5 weeks in January. We'll pretend that there are. So basically, I'm just plugging some fake numbers in for you guys so that you can see. Okay, so this shows me, not only can I at a glance see which weeks had the biggest for each category, right? But it also gives me a total. Affiliate marketing, 1985, TikTok, 1,045, YouTube, 3,173, sales, 15,000, for a total of 21,678 in income for this month. And I did not go any deeper with this particular spreadsheet with taxes and all of that kind of stuff. Now, I can definitely do that, but basically for your taxes, it's going to depend on what tax bracket you're in. So we hold out 35% of all of our income aside for taxes, because we have no W-2s. Everything we do is through streams of income that have no taxes withheld. So we hold out 35% of everything we make for taxes. Now, we do have a lot of tax write-offs. So come January, when that final tax bill is due, we may not have to pay in everything that we've held out, but we would much rather be ahead of the game than scrambling at the end. So that's just my 2 cents worth on that. But what I'm going to show you now we're going to go ahead and go into February and do the same thing, just because I want you guys to get a glimpse of what the main chart looks like once this is done. So I'm just punching in numbers again. Whoops, edit, undo. If you hit tab, it adds a new column. So you don't want to do that. You want to do enter. Let's see. We're just pretending that this was an incredible month of February here. All right, so now there's no week 5 in February, obviously. So again, we can see how all of this goes. This is your February totals, and this is each week. Okay, so then if I go back to here, it's my year at a glance. And I did a couple months because I wanted you guys to actually be able to see what it looks like. But it allows you to see where you're at with each of your areas of income, and which ones are bringing in the most income, which ones, you know, either need more work or maybe they don't. You know, I don't know. It just kind of depends. But I love being able to just glance at this and know exactly where everything is coming from, where we're headed, you know, because here you are, you know, you're 2 months in with this chart. Now, obviously, these are not real numbers. These are just numbers I poked in for the fun of it. But, and it shows you like each of the totals from each of those, and then your total annual income. And again, I would just take this number times 35%, and that's how much I would put aside for our quarterly taxes. Make sure you hold out your quarterly taxes when you start working for yourself. Your numbers may not be this big, but you do not want to have to pay penalties at the end of the year because you owe a whole bunch of taxes, because that's just sad. That is just sad. And that's something that, you know, you may want to contact a tax professional on that. But anyway, this is the worksheet that I have set up. And it's pretty simple, pretty plug and play. Obviously, if you're somewhat familiar with how these spreadsheets work, you can definitely play around with the colors if you want to. You can go up into the formatting and you can change colors. You can do just about anything you want to with it. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I will put the link again to purchase it in the description below, but I had promised you guys just a quick tutorial on how it works. And again, you don't really want to do any editing on this main sheet because this all has formulas in it that feeds in from all of these individual months. And so you want to put all of your information into each month tab, and then it's going to create your main chart here. So if you have questions, put them in the comments. If there is something you would like to see me create specifically for your small business as far as these worksheets go, let me know and I can add them into the shop. But as always, I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like and share and all those fun things, because that's how people find us on here for all the free education. Talk to you soon.